friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new chocolate review. In today's video we are going to review a bitter chocolate from a popular brand Amul. So guys, here's the product. This is the Amul bitter chocolate which has 90% rich cocoa in it, and I haven't tasted a bitter chocolate. So this is the first time I'm going to taste a bitter chocolate, and I'm going to let you know how does it taste. So this bitter chocolate from Amul has 90% cocoa, so that's going to be like really better. Like in our previous videos we did a Hershey's cocoa powder taste, and I could just taste that was 100% cocoa and how bitter that was. So 90% cocoa is going to be nothing less bitter than that. So this is an intense dark chocolate from Amul. So this is Amul bitter 90% cocoa intense dark chocolate. So this is the packaging. Let's start with the review of the product. First of all, this is a product from Amul, so you can see the Amul branding right here. Then the name of the product, which is bitter chocolate 90% intense dark chocolate. This is intense dark chocolate, means the amount of cocoa in it is 90%. That is on the face of the product. You can see the illustration here. They are shown chocolate cubes here along with the cocoa beans. So you can see that here. And it comes nicely packaged in a cardboard box like the other dark chocolate from Amul that we had reviewed earlier, and which was amazing. And I can't wait to taste the bitter chocolate to see how good this chocolate is. So it comes in a similar packaging like the dark chocolate from Amul. It comes in a box, but you can see that the colors used, this is in a much darker shade of chocolate, which is very much dark brown, to just show that it's going to be pure cocoa chocolate here. So it's dark brown in color. Moving on the sides, you can see the same Amul branding here. You can see the Amul branding here and the name of the chocolate, which is bitter 90% cocoa. On all four sides of the packaging, you can see that. Right. Moving on to the back side of the packaging. So on the back side of the packaging, you can see again the same thing: Amul bitter 90% cocoa intense dark chocolate on the side here. And then on the other side there are the nutritional facts mentioned. Here is the pure vegetarian sign. It's a 100% vegetarian product. Ingredients. So what are the ingredients of the bitter chocolate? It is cocoa solids, which is going to be 90% cocoa solids, cocoa butter, sugar, fermented emulsifiers, contains added flavors, artificial flavoring substances like cocoa and vanilla flavors. Okay, so there's some flavoring in it. The net weight of this box of bitter chocolate from Amul is 150 grams, and it is priced at Rs 125. So the MRP of the Amul bitter 90% dark chocolate is Rs 125 for 150 grams. The 55% dark chocolate was priced at Rs 100. This is priced at Rs 125. And the shelf life they have is 12 months when stored at 15 to 20 degrees Celsius in a dry place. So you need to store it in a cool, dry place. So that's all the information available here. And they have a chocolate indulgence message given here, the very epitome of dark chocolate. Masterfully crafted to be smooth and rich with a profound unsweetened cocoa flavor and deliciously intense taste. Bitter 90% is an ideal choice for truly sophisticated palates. So not everyone are going to like this, but if you are a chocolate fan, you also going to like this. Like if you have that taste for like dark coffee, dark tea and dark chocolate, then this is something that you should definitely try. This is 90% bitter, dark intense dark chocolate from Amul. So this was all the information available on the box, and let's go ahead and unbox it. Like we saw on the 55% dark chocolate, the unboxing is similar. You just need to peel this part out and it will open. So they are given a place to tear it open, and it will easily open up when you just tear this up. So they are given like a tearing mark here, and you just need to tear that part open, and here it is. So guys, similar packaging like we had inside 55% dark chocolate. Similar dark brown color plastic wrapper here, but there it was written dark 1. Here it's written bitter 90% 1. That means 1 unit will come in it. So that's the thing. I thought it would be dark 1, 2, 3, but this is bitter 90% 1. That means the naming convention goes like there's 1 unit of bitter 90% chocolate in it. Okay, so this is the packaging. Let's go ahead and tear it open. Here we go. Oh my god, I just broke the bar. So yeah, I just broke the bar into 2 pieces while opening it. Clumsy hands. Here we go. So this is the bitter 90%. From the smell of the aroma of it itself is giving you that bitter chocolate, very intense chocolate flavor, chocolate aroma to it, very intense cocoa aroma to it. So guys, this is the Amul bitter chocolate bar, and if you can see this, there's the Amul branding on the cubes. Every alternate cube has the Amul branding. And now it's time for the taste test. So we are going to just take 1 cube of it. Let me just break 1 cube of it. I'm sure it's going to be very bitter. So here it goes. This is the Amul bitter 90% dark intense chocolate, and this is the taste test for it. Very bitter. I can't explain this taste. Like, there's absolutely no taste of sugar in it. It just feels like smooth chocolate, very bitter cocoa flavor. I don't know who enjoys so bitter taste. This is definitely not for my palate. I didn't enjoy it. This is not for me. So I really can't say if I liked it or I didn't, because this is definitely not for my palate. I don't enjoy bitter things. So yeah, Amul bitter 90% only if you enjoy bitterness in your chocolate. If you enjoy bitter chocolates, then you should give it a try. If you're someone like me who has sweet tooth and doesn't like bitterness, don't try it. It's not worth the try. Right? Okay. So guys, that was my review of the Amul bitter 90%. Really bitter. Very bitter. So yeah. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.